This is your friendly neighborhood songbird, Dave J. from New York City. Songwriter, performer, storyteller, characters. This here featurette is monikered none other than Dave J. Tuesday. In a recent episode, I told you about a lovely experience I'd had at one of my regularly scheduled gigs strolling room to room at a senior citizen assisted living facility. It's a mouthful. You can hear the backstory by watching the episode entitled Day Job. Glad to report I've finished writing my new tune, Songbird, in 1 week's time. Quick disclaimer, may need a few tweaks. So without further ado, that's French, right?
What's that do, Dave?
Oh, okay. I don't speak French, but I love their fries. Here is Songbird. Enjoy. Songbird, the chirping you heard, with melodious allure alone this warbling troubadour. Songbird, wandering epicure, serves a catchy chorus stirring sentimental verse. Songbird, thread of tone-deaf owl on the prowl, looking for sweet prey. Lost in this clever tune, let's all escape in everyone's getaway. So songbird, spirits will soar. Freedom is his medium, he's happy to report.